All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where you learn real English and actually enjoy speaking it. Today, we're talking about one simple sentence, one short question that somehow scares millions of English learners around the world.
Let me guess. Tell me about yourself.
Exactly. It looks easy, right? But in reality, it's one of the trickiest questions in English. Many learners say too little. Some say way too much. And some freeze completely.
That's definitely me. The moment I hear it, my mind just goes blank.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say. Naturally, confidently, and without panic, no matter the situation. You see, the real problem here is not vocabulary. Most learners know enough words. The real problem is structure. People don't know what the listener actually wants to hear.
So, what do they want?
It depends on the situation. Tell me about yourself can mean very different things. In a job interview, in a classroom, in a casual conversation, or when you're meeting someone for the first time. That's why one answer doesn't work everywhere. Today, we're going to break it all down step by step. With real-life examples you can actually use. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is turning this question into their life story. They start with, I was born in, then school, then childhood, then every job they've ever had.
And somehow it turns into trauma and future dream.
Exactly, and the listener gets completely lost. Tell me about yourself is not your biography. It's a short introduction with a purpose. Here's a simple structure that works almost every time, no matter the situation. Present, past, purpose. First, who you are now. Second, what you did before. Third, why you're here or why you're speaking.
That sounds surprisingly simple.
Simple, but very powerful. Let's start with a casual situation. Imagine you meet someone at a party or a social event. They smile and say, "So tell me about yourself." A natural answer could sound like this. I'm Jack, I live in Toronto. I work as a graphic designer. And I love coffee and hiking. I'm also trying to improve my English. Short, friendly, relaxed.
Yeah, that actually sounds very natural.
Because it is. You're not trying to impress, you're just connecting. Now, let's imagine a classroom or group introduction. Here, your answer can be a little more organized. Hi everyone, my name is Jack. I'm from Canada. I'm studying business, and I joined this class to improve my speaking skills. Clear, polite, focused.
No stress at all.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the scary one.
Oh, job interview?
Relax. In interviews, tell me about yourself really means, give me a professional summary. Here's a strong but natural example. I'm a marketing specialist with 3 years of experience. I've worked with small businesses and online brands. Recently, I've been focusing on digital marketing, and I'm excited about this role because it matches my skills and long-term goals. Present, past, purpose.
That sounds confident.
Confidence comes from clarity. Now let's quickly talk about what not to do. Don't say, I don't know. Don't say, my English is bad. And never apologize for your English.
Even if it is bad?
Especially then. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be clear. Another important point is length. Your answer should always match the situation. In casual conversations, 30 seconds is enough. In interviews, 1 to 2 minutes is perfect. If they want more information, they'll ask,
So I should stop talking before I overshare.
Exactly. Leave them curious. To sound more natural, keep these tips in mind. Use simple language. Use contractions and smile while speaking.
People can hear a smile?
Yes, they really can. Let's practice together. Jack, tell me about yourself.
I'm Jack. I live in Toronto. I work in tech support. I enjoy learning languages. And I want to become more confident in English.
Perfect. Natural. Clear. That's exactly how it should sound. So remember this. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," don't panic. Think about the situation. Use a simple structure. Keep it natural. And most importantly, be yourself. Thanks so much for listening to All English Podcast. We really appreciate you spending this time with us. Take care and see you next time.